gorillas like to slam their hands and do this kind of stuff, right? Now what I'm going to do is alternate that. So one arm's going to go down, one arm's going to go up. Again, one of my favourite ones, if especially just for the name, Donkey Kongs. So if any of you played the game, remember that Donkey Kong is a gorilla, family of gorillas. Gorillas like to slam their hands and do this kind of stuff, right? So what a Donkey Kong is, again without the bells first, let's say I'm in a clean, double clean like this, and then I press. That's a double press, right? And this would be called a jerk, right? And then this would be called a thruster, right? Now what I'm going to do is alternate that, so one arm's going to go down, one arm's going to go up. And then as this one comes down, I'm lifting this one like this, yeah? Alternating. So as this drops, remember I taught you the form for how to carry this. Don't try to do this, because that's just arms. That's not power generation, that's muscle. What I want is, using your legs, drop this. See, as this goes here, I lift here. So we'll see this. It's kind of hard to explain without the bells. So this one is going to clean, yeah, and then press. This one from here is going to drop and reverse. So that's one style of doing it, and then we've got the snatch version. So the clean version like this is okay, you got that? Now with a snatch, you just throw them like this. It's a bit more difficult. So the snatch version would be this. Okay, that's straight up. But if you've got heavier bells, it's going to be very hard. So one thing you can actually take from this is, when you do cleans and you rack it here before pressing, you can handle a heavier weight because you've got the pause and you're able to use your legs better. When you do snatch straight up, that's a lot harder. So if you look at Olympic lifting, you'll see that always, the clean and jerk total is stronger than the snatch. So, one more time, two versions. The clean version, slow, is like this. And then the interchange here, yeah? And you see I've twisted my body into it. I'm not staying straight like this. I am leaning into it like this. I'm going to drop this. There, yeah? Okay, so that is Donkey Kong rows. I'm just going to give one go with these. So I like this exercise. Ooh, these are going to be heavy.